Hello students of class 3. I am your Piyali ma'am and today I am going to take your mathematics class. The topic of today is subtraction problem and this video is related to your worksheet of 6th August. Now children, whenever you get a problem sum, your first duty is to read the sum once or twice and then understand the language, what it wants to say. Like look at this sum. The cost of a dress is rupees 895. During the festive season, it was sold at a special price of rupees 749. For how much less than its cost was the dress sold? Now in this problem sum, you can see there's a word called less than. So whenever you see words like less than, difference, take away, okay, you understand that these are subtraction sums. Okay, these are the coin words of subtraction. You should always remember. Now, let us see the sum. What is the sum saying? It is saying that the cost of this dress was 895. So, during the festive season means during any festival like Durga Puja, Christmas, Eid, what the shopkeepers do, they reduce the price of that article so that people get attracted to it and they go to buy it. So, like that, they reduce the price of this dress from rupees 895 to rupees 749. So, we know that the dress's price was reduced, but how much it was reduced, that we have to find out. How? By subtracting. So, let us write the first statement. What will we write? Cost of the dress equals to. Next, selling price. Okay, it was sold. Now, what was the price of the dress? It was marked as rupees 895. Okay, the tag was written as 895 and the dress was sold. The dress will be sold for rupees 749. Okay, now you have to subtract the third statement. Therefore, the discount, reduced price equals to how much you have to find out. Okay, now see, you know your places, 100, tens and ones. This is your hundreds place, tens place, and this is your ones place. So what you have to do is you have to subtract 9 from 5. But is it possible? No. So what will we do? Draw a rough column. Now we borrow 110 from 9. So 110 means 10 plus 5. How much we get? 15. Now this is a greater number, greater than 9. So you can subtract 15 minus 9. How much you get? 6. So 6 ones right here. Okay. Now in the tens place you have 800 because 1 you already gave. 10 is already gone. So you have 90, 9 tens. No, you have taken away 1. So 1 is gone. Okay, it becomes 8. 80 minus 40. So how much you get? 4 tens means 40. So 40 is equal to 4 tens. So you write your answer as 4. Okay. Now here you have 800s minus 700. So how much you get? 100. So you write here 1. Rupees 146. This discount the shopkeeper gave. This money was reduced. So what will be your answer? Leave one line's gap. Answer equals to the dress was sold for rupees 146 less than its cost. Price. So your dress, that dress was sold at rupees 146, for rupees 146 less. Okay children, so this is how you do your subtractions. I have given similar type of sums in your worksheet of 6th August. So this video is related to your 6th August worksheet, and look at the sums, read them, write proper statements and complete those sums nicely and neatly in your school exercise book. Okay, till then stay safe. Thank you.